Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jay here at Make Your Own Lifestyle Lab Korea, and today's video is the part 2 episode of full body no split workouts. In today's video, I'll be sharing some sample routines for full body every day with my comments as to why I designed them in such ways. Now, before we begin, if you haven't watched the part 1 episode where I compare the full body versus the bro split, please go ahead and watch it. I'll put the link here on top right side of your screen. It'll give you a clear idea in differences between the two splits, what are some of the core benefits, and my testimony on full body training for the past 6 months. So be sure to watch it if you haven't. And now on to the workout routines. I always design any workout programs to match 5 days on and 2 days off. Like 2 days on, 1 day off, or 2 days on and 1 day off, and so on. But everyone has different schedules. So if you cannot hit the weights 5 days out of the week, do not be troubled just yet. Just make sure to do each day's work every time you do work out. By the way, it's hard to see the workout program on your mobile screen, and it is in 2 languages, English and Korean. So if you want the copy, leave your contact info on the comments and I'll personally send you all copies of today's workout program. So this is the basic model of full body everyday workout routine. This is suitable for beginner lifters. You can follow this exactly as it is designed with no problem. You don't have to follow this workout in this particular order, but if you're a beginner, I'd recommend at least start with chest, just like I designed, and do legs towards the end because the warm-up protocol that I recommend is focused on loosening up your scapula, elbows, and wrists, primarily for pushing movements. And you can still do legs towards the end even if you have little energy left in your tank. Whereas if you do legs in the beginning, it'll drain and may hinder you from trying to train other body parts. It's more of an energy distribution method. You can still push legs even if you're tired. This is day 1 and this is day 2 workouts. Order, weights, sets, reps remain the same, except that you are just doing a different version of exercises. By all means, you can stick to just one of them or switch out between the two. I would say the rest time between the sets should be at 90 seconds. So you can follow this program as exactly as written, and as for the weight selection for beginners, you should select weights that you can do 15 to 20 reps to failure, meaning you can no longer do the 16th or the 21st rep after 15 to 20 reps. You should feel the burn at around 8 to 9 rep or 12 to 15 rep to match 15 to 20 rep failure. Make sense? And as for the intermediate lifters, you can start incorporating various weight training techniques and principles to these very routines, like adding a drop set on your last working sets for each body part, or rest pauses, or even partial reps. Any would do. Also, I would assume that if you're an intermediate lifter, you'll already know many other variations of exercises, so you can swap out exercises to whatever you wish to each body part. If so, the workout routines actually become endless, since on top of my head, I can think of at least 5 to 10 different exercises just for chest, like flat bench, flat dumbbell presses, incline press, decline press, machine press, and so on and so on. So you can pick and choose your favorite exercise instead of what is written here, but try to mainly stick to compound movements. And now as for the advanced lifters, and I would say you're advanced if you know exactly how to execute all exercises, been lifting heavy, and especially if you know exactly how to utilize mind-muscle connection to all body parts. If so, this is the program I'm running on myself and I give to my advanced clients. Looks pretty crazy, but bear with me. I'll cover the macro and micro in just a bit. Basically, for the advanced program, I'm mixing the bro split and full body together. So you still train full body every day, but you are emphasizing one body part each day. Meaning on Mondays, it is a chest-focused full body. Tuesdays are back-focused full body. Wednesdays off. Thursday is shoulder-focused. Fridays, arms and core. And Saturday, legs and so on. So when it is Monday, the chest-focused full body day, you will do 1 to 2 extra exercises for chest, and the rest of the body parts remain the same as the other days. Same as on Tuesday, the back focus day, you will do all other body parts 1 exercise each and do 2 to 3 back exercises. Make sense? This way, you can ensure that each body part gets higher weekly training volume and you get to utilize the best of the both splits. The weights get tweaked as well. Since you are doing at least 4 sets for each body part or each exercise, I'll adjust the weights per set, meaning I do 15 to 20 for first working set, 12 to 15 on the second, 8 to 12 on third, and 4 to 6 on my last working set. And I'll do a drop set, partials, or even rest pauses on my last working sets. Again, it is hard to see the workout program on your mobile screen, so I'll leave a comment with your email and I'll send you a hard copy. So this is the workouts I do every day, and if you have not done this before, you will feel more tired and drained the first few weeks. But believe me, our bodies will adjust, and the process of your body getting adjusted to this routine is the very evidence that you are getting better and stronger. Trust me guys, for the first month I felt after the gym, but as long as you're feeding your body the right amount of foods and you stretch, foam roll, sleep enough, you will be able to get adjusted to full body every day. And I'll be honest, there are a few days when I felt just so tired and out of it, and those days I went back to the bro split or the 3-day split, but over time, your body will be able to handle the workload you're putting it through. Don't worry about overtraining. Your body and nervous system are much more resilient than you think. The workouts you do, in this case, suddenly training your entire body daily, is the change and stress that you impose from the outside. And just keep in mind that you need to give your body some time to get adjusted from the inside as well. It may take a few days to a few weeks, but when you do get adjusted and able to handle the full body every day, you will start seeing greater results. But if some parts of your body starts to hurt, especially your elbows or shoulder joints, and you just feel tired all the time and can't function on other things properly, these may be signs that your body is not able to keep up with the workload as fast as it can. So in this case, take a step back on the intensity and or on frequency and give your body some more room to get used to the workout you're doing. Or, as for me, always adding 20 to 30 minutes of list cardio helped me to flush out any waste products from weight training. So mild cardios are a good idea as well. I've been lifting for 15 years and it took me about 3 months to get it right and get accustomed to full body every day. So be patient guys. It's definitely a little more challenging than the traditional bro split, especially in terms of weekly training volumes. But this will also serve as a great opportunity to test your diet, recovery routines, and overall general fitness levels. So don't give up quick just yet, and I hope everyone gets good results from this. That's it for this video, and I hope you guys make solid gains every day. And thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time.